Hello everyone, my name is Vladislav Zhabin. I'm a design engineer and I'm one of the team lead of the GFE Solutions.
Tell us about one of your latest projects.
One of the latest projects, we have been closely cooperating with the company that manufactures drilling fluid cleaning machines for a long time. And one of the latest projects was to design a cleaning plant for Australia.
What technologies did you use in the design?
We implemented modern mechanical and chemical technologies, including centrifugation, flotation, and filtration.
What difficulties did your team encounter during the project?
One of the requirements of this project was to design a modular system to allow for various equipment combinations.
What was the end result? Did you manage to achieve your goals?
Yes, the plant was successfully designed and is at the final stage to launch into production. We're really proud to have to contribute to such unique machines and such unique technologies.